Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's going to help you level up your posing game and make you feel like a professional model in front of the camera. This training isn't just for aspiring models. Maybe you're looking to improve your photography skills. Maybe you just want to look your absolute best on Instagram. Well then, this video is for you. I'm Amel and I'll be your guide through this fun and informative journey. Before we jump into the poses, let's start with some warm-up exercises and confidence building tips. Being a professional model is not just about striking a pose but also exuding confidence and charisma. Stretching exercises: shoulder rolls, neck stretches, leg stretches. Confidence boosting techniques: power poses, positive affirmations. The last item is probably the most important one. Walking the runway at a major fashion show can be intimidating even for experienced pros. Psyching yourself up to strut with confidence in front of hundreds of people is essential. Now that we're warmed up and feeling confident, let's dive into some classic and versatile poses that every model should know. The model stance. Stand with one foot slightly in front of the other. Keep your weight on your back leg. Elongate your spine and roll your shoulders back. The natural walk. Demonstrate a relaxed and fluid walk. Engage your arms naturally and let them swing with each step. Maintain a steady pace and stay mindful of your posture. The profile pose. Turn your body sideways to the camera. Keep one foot in front of the other and your weight on the back leg. Tilt your head slightly towards the camera. To create a captivating portfolio or series of photos, it's essential to add movement and variety to your poses. Let's explore some dynamic poses that will add interest to your shots. The hair flip. Gather your hair to one side. Tilt your head back slightly. With a quick motion, flip your hair back over your shoulder. The leaning pose. Lean against a wall or prop. Cross your legs and create angles with your arms. The twirl. Step forward with one foot. Extend your arms gracefully and spin in a circular motion. Now let's discuss how to work with different camera angles to showcase your best features and create eye-catching visuals. The 3/4 angle. Position your body at a 45-degree angle to the camera. Tilt your head slightly towards the camera. Keep your limbs elongated and create flattering lines. The over-the-shoulder look. Face away from the camera. Look back over one shoulder, engaging your eyes with the lens. Show off your profile while maintaining a relaxed posture. A significant part of modeling is conveying emotions and telling a story through your expressions. Let's explore some key tips on how to emote effectively. The smiles, smiling with your eyes. Relax your mouth while subtly lifting your cheeks. Focus on engaging your eyes to show warmth and friendliness. The fierce look. Narrow your eyes slightly to create a strong, intense gaze. Keep your mouth closed or slightly parted for a serious look. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to posing like a professional model. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on your poses, expressions, and overall confidence. Don't forget to have fun and let your personality shine through in every shot. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to enhance your photography and modeling skills. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!